Very good morning. It's Mark here. It is 9:49 Eastern Time. That's 2:49 GMT. US dollar index. Our starting point, as always, and there the US dollar fighting back after 3 days of giving up some gains, struggling at the 107 level. Came all the way down here to just above 106, but definitely fighting back today. A reversal and seeing strong US dollar to start the US session. If I go to the hourly, there you can see testing the intraday resistance at 106.63, bounced off strong when it got down to 106.14. So to start today, we are seeing strong US dollar, and we'll see that if we look at, there you see it, if we look at our majors, Euro US, there's the US dollar fighting back, coming down and testing 105.23 support. So we're seeing strong US dollar. Let's go to the daily to put it in perspective. There you can see Euro tried to fight back the last couple of days. There's the big answer from the US. Strong US dollar fighting back, looking to test support level. And we will see that if I go to the pound. Pretty sure it will look not dissimilar. There you go. The way to go until support. But after 2 days of the pound trying to fight back, there you see the US dollar looking to resume the pre-existing downtrend, which is strong US dollar. If we go to the US yen, let's see if the US is doing its thing against the yen as well. Sure, it did come down. We had a big warning signal end of last week, bearish engulfing, reversal sign. Didn't play out, tested to try to go lower, made support at 153.38, but today fighting its way back 155.74. That's intraday resistance, looking to go up to the 156 level. S&P. Let's start at the daily. And we had this slight fight back over the last couple of days. We saw the sell-off last week in the S&P, tried to fight back Monday, Tuesday, not much though, not even able to really retake the high of this red candlestick. But today, the sell-off looks to be continuing, didn't break above the 59.75. Interesting that even these 2 days fight back, price action remained below that all 6,000 number. There we see the sell-off right now. Sellers looking to come and retest this support at 587. Commodities. Let's see with strong US dollar. Let's see how gold's performing. Traditionally, an inverse relation. Strong US dollar would translate to weak gold. Hasn't necessarily been the case. And you can see it's not the case right now. Gold sitting in this tight range here on the hourly between 2619 on the downside, resistance 2643, sitting comfortably in the range. If I zoom in and go to the daily, there you can see gold looking to continue its rally over the last 2 days. That's Monday and Tuesday, getting held up at this 2644. Let's see how things progress. And if the US dollar strength continues, that may well thwart any further gains in gold. They don't usually work in tandem, but we'll wait and see how that pans out throughout the course of the US session. Oil had tried to fight back as well. A bit of a contradiction what I saw there, and I'll show you why I'm saying that. There is the daily. We saw oil bounce up off the 70 area, pretty strong, closed above that red candle. Yesterday, not much. Today, looking to continue its strength or its rally and go up to test the 73.5 level. There's the little green candle. The only thing I did draw in, and bear in mind that's before today's green candle, I put in this descending trend line to make a descending triangle, looking for price action to get caught up perhaps here, not be able to break higher, and that would be a good entry point for a sell off these levels, off this resistance level, off this descending trend line, and come back down here to lower levels. I took a sell trade based on just that, which I'm sitting with because we'll see how it develops. There you can see it broke above that descending trend line, but coming back now, and I'd like to see it come back within this trend line, come lower than this level being around just above 73, and look to come back into the below $73. We'll sit and watch how that works through the US session. I want to have a look at crypto, meaning I want to have a look at Bitcoin, meaning I want to have a look, have new records been set, and sure enough, there's the new record. That's previous high 94,062. Today 94,500, 94,665. That's on the hourly. It just keeps breaking. Today resistance levels between that. There's the daily. It's really, really strong. Watch the shorter time frames if you're looking for entry and exit levels. Good trading, guys. Keep that discipline, and I will see you at the end of the session. Good trading.